Oh, this is so bizarre. Don't mind me just casually holding my eyebrow. It's not too far off what my regular shape is, so I don't know. I'm very excited to give this a shot.
They look a little creepy, I'm not gonna lie. And they're like oddly real looking.
The thought of eyebrow wigs makes me laugh. I picture like Mr. Potato Head with really fluffy eyebrows on. Okay, apply glue to the back of the eyebrow and press on skin.
Oh my god, I don't know what to do. Okay. I don't even know how much I'm supposed to put on here. Like, what's too much? This is also really difficult.
The hairs do look kind of real though, they're just a little bit long.
Oh god. Wow, they're way longer than my eyebrow is. I could see it like slipping off my eye.
I mean, look, it's not perfect, but from where I'm looking, that looks real.
Guess that's that.
To be honest, like, it's not horrible. It's just a little dark for my like complexion and my hair color. My brows are pretty light, so it does cover them up, but they're kind of sticking on top of them and not really blending in with my face.
This would make my brow routine like 3 times as long.
Truly, I think they really do look like someone's actual eyebrows. Maybe not my actual eyebrows, but like these could honestly really work for someone.
I think that these would be great for someone who doesn't have eyebrows due to a medical condition or chemotherapy or alopecia.